幹線をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。まもなく11番乗り場に6時47分発ひかり591号博多行きが参ります。危ないですから黄色い点字ブロックまでお下がりください。自由席は1号車から6号車と15号車、16号車です。この列車は全席禁煙です。おタバコを吸われるお客様は喫煙ルームをご利用ください。この列車は16両編成です。この列車は途中岡山、福山、三原、東広島、広島、新岩国、徳山、新山口、新下関、小倉に停まります。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Shinkansen, the Super Express Hikari 591, departing at 6:47, bound for Hakata, is arriving at track 11. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 16 cars. Car 1 is at the front of the train, and car 16 is at the rear. Cars 8, 9, and 10 are the green cars for passengers holding green car seat reservations. Cars 1 through 6, 15, and 16 are for passengers without seat reservations. Please refrain from smoking in the train, including areas at either end of the cars. This train will be stopping at Okayama, Fukuyama, Mihara, Higashi Hiroshima, Hiroshima, Shin Iwakuni, Tokoyama, Shin Yamaguchi, Shin Shimonoseki, and Kokura, before arriving at Hakata Terminal. Thank you.